Hi, all. There's something we're going to get into how to activate the animation or control the animation of your characters. We know it's built in, but I haven't shown you how to control it. So we'll be doing that. I'm first going to take a moment to talk about Unity's layout. And mostly I'm doing this because we've been working in the default layout and it's not my favorite and it's been bothering me. So I'm going to be changing mine. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. If you go to Window, there's default layouts. I believe the defaults are 2x3, 4 split, default, and wide. And what they do is they move the tabs around to reposition the different things. So let's see, let me choose something else. Oops, no. Scene, gym environment. No, I didn't want to do that. Oh, if I click that, you can see that inspector. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. This is the project. This is one of my least favorite window layouts. You can also see there's a 2x3. That's a little closer to what I like, but I think this part takes up way too much real estate. The 4 split, I think, is way too busy. Plus, our laptop screens aren't huge, so it's not ideal. Tall is the closest we get to what I like. I like having the project in the hierarchy here and the inspector over on the right. I do not, however, like this double column. So I prefer the one column layout. So I have my hierarchy here, and then I have my project folder here and all of my assets, and then the inspectors on the right. And then there's one more change I like to make to this, is I like to take the game window and put it below. So I'm able to see both the scene window and the game window at the same time. So I started with tall and made those changes. I switched this to one column and I dragged the game tab below this. And then what I did, because I wanted to be able to have that at my fingertips, I went to save layout and I actually save this as tall modify. So usually this is how I work. And then for these things here, you got to expand menus to get to the stuff in it. So I'll be working from this layout from now on. You are welcome to use any layout you want. But this is my preference and I will be going back to my preference. So feel free to choose what you want. And remember, it all starts with window layout. So I would choose the one you're most inclined to like and then adjust them as you like and save your layout so you can get back to it. Okay, hope it was helpful.